channel. I am Bella Nicole. I am a makeup artist and also designer for Designs by Bella Nicole. So welcome. So I'm going to show you today how I make my fruit-infused water using my Tazo Passion Tea, a little bit of Truvia, some cherries, strawberries, and an orange. We're going to go ahead and mix it. In this pitcher here, add some water and some ice, and I'll be right back. What we're going to need is 1 orange cut up into quarters, sliced and then into quarters, and then we're also going to need 5 strawberries. You're just going to cut them in half and then in a fourth. And you also need 7 cherries that have been pitted and cut up, as well as 2 envelopes of the Passion Tea. The Tazo Passion Tea is actually my favorite, and 4 of the Truvia. Next, you want to grab the pitcher of your choice and fill it up with ice about halfway, and fill the rest up with water. Next, we're going to add the 4 packets of Truvia. You can use stevia, you can use sugar, whatever you'd like to sweeten it with. You can also use stevia in the raw, sugar in the raw. Those are also great ways. You can even use honey, whatever you'd like. And we're going to give it a quick stir. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our fruit, starting with the oranges. Give that a quick stir. This is a tea slash fruit infused water, and it's super refreshing, especially for the summer. It's non-alcoholic, but you can add rum if that is what you choose. Okay, next we're going to go in with the strawberries. This recipe is actually even more delicious the more you let it sit. It's perfect for the kiddos if you just want to make a big batch and sit on your front porch and enjoy it. You can also add tea to this if you'd like. I'm using Passion Tea because I love the way the hibiscus flower tastes. It's amazing. It also has a lot of essential antioxidants. Helps lower blood pressure, clears up your skin. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I decided to add 1 more of the tea bags, and as you can tell, the color of the water has already changed. And I added 1 more stevia. It's really up to you. Okay, next I'm just going to pour it into one of our glitter tumblers. These can be found in our Etsy shop. Let's see how we did. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the lid on it. I love this little diamond lid, it's super cute. And you can kind of mix it. So I'm going to add the diamond lid back on, and we're just going to stir it up. The glitter also moves within. And this is my personal cup. So let's see how we did. Now that's good.